Hello and welcome to another Zeilhan video. Today we're going to learn 5 ways to increase profits in your business without getting new clients. Now, we're all in business to make money. Profits, very simply, for all our beginners, is what you get to take home. So, and this is going to lead into first point, is you can reduce your costs to increase your profits without getting new clients. So say for example, every month your business makes $1,000 and it costs you $800 to make that $1,000. That $800 includes the price of delivering your good or service. It also includes the marketing costs, the rent, the utilities, etc. So $800 to keep the business open. The business is bringing in $1,000. If you want to make more profits, a very easy way to do that is by reducing your costs. Now, reducing your costs means you might go from $800 to, let's say, $600, meaning that instead of having a profit of $200, you're going to have a profit of $400. The second way that you can increase your profits without getting new clients is simply by increasing your prices. Now, increasing your prices is a very tricky subject. I mean, there are businesses dedicated to charging a lower price than their competitors. And that's what they say, lowest price guaranteed. Charging the lowest price is not always the best option. Whenever you charge a higher price, it tends to allow you to produce a higher quality good or service. And it also helps you to save on margins, so you can produce more for less. The other reason why this works is because when you charge more or you increase your prices, you're now going to make more per customer. So let's say that you're making $1,000 per month from 5 customers. Your costs have now been reduced from $800 to $600. If you can charge each customer $50 more, you're going to be making $1,250 for the month with $600 in costs, meaning that now instead of making $200 profit and $400 profit after reducing your costs, you're going to be making about $650 in profit, if I've done my math correctly. Now, if you've made it this far, I'm pretty sure that you're interested to learn more about how to increase your profits without getting new clients. Stay tuned for the end of the video because we have a very interesting bonus for you that you're going to want to learn to make more money in your business. The third way that you can increase profits in your business without getting new customers is by expanding into new markets. Expanding into new markets can be as simple as serving a new geographic location or serving a new customer base with a new product or service. A very simple example that we all remember is Amazon. When Amazon first started, for one, it was not available in Jamaica. You could not buy stuff on Amazon in Jamaica. And two, you also could not buy anything other than books. Their first products were books. Today, Amazon is in web services, so they sell website hosting and CDNs and so on. They sell home goods, they still sell books, they sell clothing, they sell tech, and everything in between. You can even buy your grocery on Amazon. You can buy medicine on Amazon. And that is because Amazon has expanded into new markets, making them the $3 trillion company that they are today, approximately $3 trillion. That is one example of a successful expansion in a new market. The fourth way that you can increase profits or earnings in your business without getting new clients is selling more of the product that you already sell. And this is the one that's easiest to think of, but the hardest to execute. And that simply means that you're in the business of selling water bottles. So you're selling water bottles to your customers. And let's say every month you sell 1,000 water bottles at $10 per bottle. So that's 10,000 water bottles. You want to sell more water bottles. Zeilhan is a team for that because what we do is we help businesses increase revenues, increase sales, increase profits by using digital and business strategies to figure out your bottlenecks and remove the hiccups that's preventing your business from achieving its goals. And one way that we could help you to sell more water bottles by connecting you with more customers in need of water bottles. Easier said than done. Another way is by smoothing out your supply process, your marketing channel, your sales process. There are many ways to sell more of the same product. And that's the one that most people think of when they think about making more money. It's just like the average person thinking of making more money, they think about working more hours. The average business owner thinking of making more profit thinks of selling more of this product or service that they're already selling. The fifth and perhaps the most interesting way of increasing your profits or earnings without getting new customers is by revitalizing, closing, or otherwise disposing of unprofitable operations. Now, this is something that you think happens in large businesses, not necessarily. And the reason why I say this is because a lot of times as business owners, let's say that we're in the business of selling paper. We're selling paper to our customers, Dunder Mifflin style. And in selling paper, we realize that the next thing that the customer needs is ink to write on the paper and perhaps binding. And so we go into that. And then we say, oh, let's take a look at selling books. And then we go into that. It's very hard for us to do everything at the highest value and have our customers associate us with that value. And that is why at times it is best to niche down and be very good at one thing so you can charge a higher price, have lower costs because you're better at it, and you can more easily expand into new markets. But at times it is essential for you to let go of that baby, let go of those extra services, let go of those additional products that are not as profitable. And that is the fifth way that you can increase your profits or earnings without getting new clients. And we promised you a bonus. The bonus is very easy. If you think about your business as a living organism, you're going to realize that the longer your customer stays with you, the more money you make. So this is why number 6, our bonus, says that in order to have more profits and revenues in your business and increase the chances of your business being successful, you want to increase the lifetime value of your customer. The lifetime value of your customer is very simply how long the average customer stays with you. So if your average customer stays with you for 2 years and each year he spends an average of $150, then his lifetime value is 2 years times how much he spends each year, which is $300. But if you can get him to stay for 4.5, maybe 5 years, then now you're making $400, $450 or more dollars per customer. You haven't gotten new customers, but each customer is now worth more. So those are 5 ways and a bonus that you can increase profits in your business. But this is just the start of it. At Zeilhan, we've helped our clients earn more than $900 million in revenues in the last year. And what we've done is we've made a video here on how we achieved that. Go ahead and check out that video next.